Digital tools can be a bit intimidating, and I think that's where the beauty of this operations centre and where John Deere have gone with this platform is they've made it more user-friendly for a wider range. So all farmers can use this platform. It's not something to be intimidated by. You're going to get a lot of benefit out of this tool, and everyone's going to be able to use it in some way.
Connectivity has improved greatly since we first started using these systems. For example, you put a prescription map into the screen and it would take a very, very long time to load because there's just so many data points. Today, that's sped up, it's fast, it's reliable, and it just works.
But the real key for me is that it works across all your John Deere equipment. It's compatible with everything, it's all matched and it all is integrated.
Some farmers may be sceptical about trusting the data that you're getting and using that to make informed decisions. And I think that the easy way to go about that is to tackle something you understand. So we did that with lime. You know, we had our pH map. We knew what the pH change was based on those soil tests. The output it was doing, it's quite a simple calculation to validate that. It's something you could have done on a pack of paper if you want to spend a week doing it, but doing it automatically in Operations Centre made it quick and easy. Pushing that instruction out to the machine allowed us to then apply it on the fly. You didn't need to be monitoring. You're not having to modify settings in the machine as you're doing the job. And then when you finish, you end up with a map to correlate that back to what you actually achieved. So I think we've found that we trust the outputs that we're getting from our insights in Operations Centre. And I think the key thing too is once you've made that decision, it's there, it's recorded, it's going to be there next year, it's going to be there 2 years later, it's going to be there 5 years later. So you can always go back to it and know exactly what you did last time and what worked or didn't work.
It doesn't replace your gut feel or your experience. This is the key. It's just another tool, a bit like all the other tools we use to make better decisions.
It helps you justify some of your decisions as well. So you might have a gut feel, and this tool can help you go and say, yeah, my gut feel was right, here's the data to back that up. I am making the right decision.